what difference does that make from a practical perspective, and what are the types of things that you're seeing that might not have occurred if it was just a wildfire?
In wildfires, we focused, Brian, on the char, soot, and ash. These are the three indicators that we assessed properties for when there's only wildfire, like a brush fire. You guys remember the station fire, 220,000 acres burnt, but I don't think one structure really was burnt. So we focused on these. With this fire, we are focusing on some other chemicals and carcinogens like asbestos and lead. Some people want the full CAM-17 metal, and definitely the cleaning, as you guys may know, is different. Cleaning for asbestos, cleaning for lead is different than cleaning for char or ash. We rarely find soot, but soot is another animal that requires also another level of cleaning.